Good morning, students. Welcome in class A part first. In our last video yesterday, we have discussed first and second paragraph of National Prejudices. The essay is very thoughtful, and today in this video, we have to start from third paragraph and try to make some progress to reading in this essay. Before we just start the new paragraph, I request every related video must be keep in mind. That's why the next sequence, the next thought given by Oliver Goldsmith must be complete in mind. As we know that every thought are given here sequential. So it is must to keep a particular order video-wise in the mind. As we know that for one essay, we have just 5 or 6 videos. If the essay is very short, then we can complete it in 2 or 3 videos. But generally, an average is speaking that for one single essay or stories, we just have 5 to 6, 7 videos. Our main focus is not to finish anyhow the chapter, but our main target is to understand. We have a lot of time, and the videos are permanently saved with you. So, I request read every line with the complete conception. Idea and the considering power must be remarkable. Means what we acquire from the essay, what we read from the essay, what is the opinion of writer, how we adjust that opinion in our personal life, or a complete combination of the development of thought must be clear in mind. It is not necessary to read the complete essay singly, fastly. No. The digestion of reading is our first objective. The digestion of reading is our first objective. We have, you can understand about the books given by Bacon. Enough studies. Enough studies he provides. There are 3 types of the book. One is introductory. After 1 or 2 pages of paragraph, we can give the complete idea about the whole book, as we compared it with the meal of the food. Second type of the book, read fast, without any attention, without any digestion, without any acquiring, without any questions. So these are not a type of reading. We must follow 3 types of the book prescribed by Bacon in all studies, and we also follow the same. So in single video we have just take 1 or 2 paragraphs. Because our objective is not to finish the essay anyhow. Our objective depends upon slow and steady wins the race. Means we just make the essay so analytical that every conception related to the views of writer must be complete in mind. That's why we follow the 3rd type of the book. That was 3rd type of the reading. That is the wise reader. What the 3rd type of book? According to Bacon, these books are to be read with attention, very carefully, the complete ideas completely digested, acquiring everything completely. These are the 3 types of the basic books. Now in our last video we have discussed that what is the position of writer? Writer's position remained there silent, because he was not agree with the views of the gentleman. Even he wants to be silent there. He doesn't want to involve the meeting there. But anyhow, you know about that gentleman who is just making a drama to be a real country lover. who is just making a false presentation that every type of the quality there are in my personality that is related to the quality of England. He presents England that everywhere there is anything that is in England. He presents himself if there is any virtues, any merits and qualities that must be in the citizen of England, all these are available in me in my personal life. So these type of the person are very hard to discuss. These types of the person, if we communicate with them, it is not easily possible to defeat them because they are full of prejudices. This is a disease of mind. And so, the remedy of it, deep analysis and deep consideration. The last video, we have discussed about the position of writer, about the argument given by the gentleman, and now we will start the next part. You are interested to keep a book, the book that is prose and fiction, and in this, we just come on the third paragraph, and what there is in third paragraph is start. This very large and judicious remark was received by a general type of approbation by all the company. सारी की सारी कंपनी ने means 6 gentlemen there. You know, सारी की सारी कंपनी ने इस जुडिशियल रिमार्क को रिसीव कर लिया, प्राप्त कर लिया, मतलब मान सा लिया गया. A general opinion because there was not any way, है ना? There was not any type of the way how the debate remained meaningless. To avoid this circumstance, only the gentleman's views accepted there. सबने मान लिया. I mean, but your humble servant, लेकिन आपका ये humble servant used for himself, that is Oliver Goldsmith. आपका ये जो humble servant है, इसके अलावा who don't to keep my gravity as soon as I do, और वो अपनी gravity seriousness means you can say stable position projects himself that he is not interested in this topic. He projects himself that he is totally avoid the meeting, or in the position that he did not listen the arguments of that gentleman. एकदम serious है. I reclined my head upon my arm, the position of consideration, the posture, this type of situation of the sitting of writer. Writer just sit down and keep the head on the table. सिर के ऊपर मतलब हाथ पे सिर रखकर टेबल पे आराम से अपना सिर टेक लेता है. यानी in this position that he is neutral. He never want to speak anything. He never want to involve in the meeting, or he never listen what the gentleman speak. Continued for some time in a posture of affected thoughtfulness, और कई देर तक continued ऐसी बैठा रहा जैसे thoughtfulness means he is thinking a lot, means the mood is very full of consideration, means he was thinking on some serious topic, and now there is nothing that is related to this topic, and now this is the position of that man. This is the position of Oliver Twist, that he remained there silently in the position that he was not in the mood of speak anything, as if he had been musing on something else. ऐसी पोजीशन लग रही है, मूज कर रहा है, थिंकिंग कर रहा है, सोच रहा है कुछ अदर. मतलब the position that he is totally ignoring the meeting. He want to totally avoid the argument and never want to speak anything. And his position, same stable and neutral position, that he is out of there physically, mentally, psychologically, he is not there. But he is there only for bodily, and structure of his body is there. Means his mind is somewhere another, and it was thinking something another, which all is, and did not seem to attend the subject of conversation. और ऐसे लग रहा था कि उसमें सब्जेक्ट ऑफ कन्वर्सेशन, वो जो पॉलिटिकल डिस्प्यूट थी, जो वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ द फीचर, वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ द कैरेक्टर इन यूरोप कंट्रीज, ये सारी जो टॉपिक था It seems that he is not in the mood to listen it, and present himself that he totally avoided it, hoping by these means to avoid the disagreeable necessity of explaining myself. Hoping by these means, इसका मतलब क्या निकल रहा है? To avoid the disagreeable, कि वो disagreeable से बचना चाहता है. Agree means सहमति, यानी वो असहमत है लेकिन वो बचना चाहता है, इसके लिए नेसेसिटी. अगर वो सहमत है तो ओके, दैट्स फाइन. और अगर ही इज नॉट एग्री तो पक्का एक्सप्लेनिंग माई सेल्फ, उसको पता है उसको अपने आप को एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा, ये नेसेसिटी थी. इट वॉज मस्ट देयर इफ वी वॉन्ट टू स्पीक एनीथिंग और इफ वी वॉन्ट टू शो दैट आई एम नॉट इन एग्री पोजिशन, आई एम नॉट एग्री विद द व्यूज ऑफ दैट जेंटलमैन. यस, मीन्स इट इज नॉट इजीली पॉसिबल टू रन फ्रॉम देयर. नो, either show your agreement upon the topic, or if you are not agree on the topic, you must explain why. You must explain why my views are not right. If you are in against only them, otherwise make favor, that's okay, be happy. But writer was not in this type of the person. Writer was not this type of the person, as we discussed today. If the pressure was given to him, or if he will speak anything, must speak right, must speak accurate, or must speak the ideas and the thoughts that which shall allows. It was the hobby of writer, it was the, you can say, feature of writer, it was the talent of writer that he never defeated on the wrong ideas, on illegal ideas or irrational views. That's why he want to speak nothing. That's why he want to make silent, because he never wanted to make a disturbing atmosphere there, because he did not want to make a meaningless quarreling there. And thereby, और इसलिए depriving the gentleman of his imaginary happiness. Now you can look everything. That position of that gentleman, we know that he is in the mood of fun. He is in the mood of happiness, because he knows that everyone will accept my ideas. But now, लेकिन अब my shadow patriot, shadow is silent, दिखावटी जो patriot देश होते हैं, right? To speak shadow patriot. Because according to the knowledge of writer or according to the thought of writer, the gentleman was not the real gentleman. He is only playing a drama of gentleman. He is only acting to be gentleman. Originally, he was not a right or accurate gentleman. But my shadow patriot had no mind to let me escape so easily. पता है उसको बहुत आसानी से भागने भी नहीं देगा. वो जो पैट्रियट था, नकली जो बनावटी देशभक्त है, राइटर को पूरा अंदेशा है, पूरा अंदाजा है कि ये व्यक्ति, ये जो देशभक्त बना हुआ है, ये देशभक्त मुझे ऐसे छोड़ने वाला भी नहीं है. नॉट सेटिस्फाइड दैट हिज ओपिनियन शुड पास विदाउट कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन. नॉट सेटिस्फाइड, वो संतुष्ट भी कैसे हो सकता है, क्योंकि उसकी जो ओपिनियन है उसको बिना किसी कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन के पास करती जाएगी, इसलिए वो संतुष्ट नहीं हो सकता. क्योंकि he want a just common agreement upon the idea, because he just want to make that there must be a common agreement upon that idea. His ideas must be accepted by everyone. Only then he can be satisfied. If there is any one single one that is against, how he can be happy there? Or how he can be satisfied there, because his ideas break down here, stopped here, disturbed here. So this is not easily possible. He was determined to have gratified by suffering of everyone in the company, for which purpose addressing himself to me with the air of unexpressible confidence, he asked me if I was not in the same way of thinking. Now, very important. Now the position. We know that what was the position of that gentleman. We know that what is the position of that writer. Everything that is okay. Everything if there is okay, then the gentleman just want to know and speak to the writer. Then why, my dear friend, why all your all your words to me? Are you not agree with me? Or if you are not agree with me, that's okay. But explain yourselves. But explain your views. How you are not agree? If you are agree, I am not speaking anything else. But if you are not agree, there is also our curiosity to know about your views. We just want to listen your ideas. Our writer will speak. Halanki, writer says that I have not visited such the countries mentioned by you. I have not properly analyzed every type of the character study, every type of the systems study, every type of the culture and tradition study. Then how I can give the reply? But even you pressurize me, then how I can accept your ideas? I never accept your ideas, and I can tell you everything with complete proof. But not today, after visit of this country. But it is the chance to speak today. Then I will tell my real self. What my speech that is depends upon my real knowledge. Same way of thinking. Yes, I am never forward in giving my opinion. I am never forward in giving my opinion. और मैं कभी भी मेरी राय ओपिनियन देना ही नहीं चाहता. Especially when I have reason to believe that it will not be agreeable. और उस समय तो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं देना चाहता मेरी राय जब मुझे पता है कि इस पे सहमति नहीं बन सकती. So when I oblige to give it, लेकिन जब मुझे बाध्य ही कर दिया जाता है, I know that my ideas will be disremarked by them. I know that all my ideas will be rejected by the company. I know that they suspected upon me. I know that they doubted upon me or my citizenship of England. I know it very well. Before speaking, मुझे बोलने से पहले पता है what is the reaction, what will be the attitude, or what will be their speech. I know it before speaking me. What I will speak, I know it very well that I will speak like that. And what their reaction will be there, I also know it. That's why, जो भी है. So when I am obliged to be, लेकिन जब मुझे बातें ही कर दिया जाता है कि बोलना ही पड़ेगा, I therefore told him that. तो मैं I always vote for a maxim. मैंने एक सिद्धांत बना रखा है. When someone pressurizes me or I am obliged to speak, I have one determined principle in mind. I have one totally agreeable principle accepted to me or in my personal life. I never compromises with my thought. I never compromises with my personal ideas or my personal knowledge. To speak my real sentiments, and this is my principle. If I am obliged, I always speak my real sentiments. I never speak anything that is not logical, that is not suitable to my show. Speak real sentiment. I therefore told him that. तब वो उसको बताता है. Now the speech of writer starts. पहली बार राइटर के मुंह से आवाज अब. For my own part, अगर मैं मेरी व्यक्तिगत बात करूं, I should not have ventured to talk in such a temporary style. Parliamentary style. To talk in such a parliamentary style. Confident by full authority means in this type of the speech which you are going to discuss. The topic on which we are going to discuss, I have not the proper right to speak, or you can say the proper authority to speak, because I have not such the knowledge about these nations of Europe. That's why I just remain silent. मेरा इसे अनलेस, फिर भी अगर आई हैड मेड द टूर ऑफ यूरोप, कब तक नहीं कर सकता मैं इस पे बातचीत, जब तक कि मैं यूरोप का टूर नहीं कर लूं। मीन्स आई एम नॉट एन ऑथराइज्ड पर्सन, आई एम नॉट द लॉजिकल और यू कैन से लाइजेबल पर्सन टू स्पीक अबाउट दिस टॉपिक। कब तक? जब तक कि I have completed my tour of Europe, and then I will analysis every type of the system there. I will analysis the social background there. I will analysis their speech, their system, their lifestyle, way of life, everything. तभी तो बता सकता हूँ। And examine the manner of these several nations with a great care and accuracy. सबसे पहले तो मैं यूरोप का टूर करूं, उसके बाद परखूं, जांचूं द मैनर ऑफ, ये जो अलग अलग राष्ट्र आप बता रहे हो उसको ग्रेट केयर और एक्यूरेसी से। मीन्स ओनली देन आई विल बी इन द पोजिशन टू स्पीक हियर, ओनली देन आई विल बी इन पोजिशन टू स्पीक हियर। दैट फर्स्ट आई जस्ट मेक ए टूर ऑफ यूरोप, सर्च आउट एवरीथिंग देयर, every social circumstances there, every social traditional, everything, every system there, and then check out it, examine it, analyze it, observe it with full curiosity, full accuracy and full attention. Only then I will be able to speak. But even if you precise or oblige me today, I will speak my real sentiment, and that perhaps a more impartial, तब मैं शायद आपको ज्यादा एक impartial, बिना भेदभाव वाला जजमेंट दे पाता, would not be susceptible to inform that. अब वो क्या बता रहा? Dutch was more frugal and industrious, and French more temperate and polite, German more hardy patience of labor and fatigue, and Spaniards more sedate than English. ये चारों राष्ट्रों की तुलना की बजाय इंग्लैंड की बजाय डच के लोग ज्यादा मेहनती हैं, इंग्लैंड की बजाय फ्रांस के लोग ज्यादा पोलाइट है, इंग्लैंड की बजाय जर्मनी के लोग ज्यादा पेशेंस, धैर्य, परिश्रमी और बिना थकान के काम करने वाले हैं, और इंग्लैंड की बजाय स्पेन के लोग ज्यादा गंभीर हैं बजाय इंग्लैंड के। वन साइड इंग्लैंड, another side of 4 countries. All 4 countries are more sedate, more serious, more hard worker, more legible, more you can say delicate, more strong, full of stamina than England. Means England is on the bottom if we compare England with all these 4. Shocked, a great shock in the meeting. Do you understand what there may be? Very shocked in the meeting here. How the person is speaking? He just rejected England. He just tagged England on the bottom and compared England with such these 4 types of the countries and says that these 4 are more superior than England in every aspect. If you are talking about hard working, then England is on bottom. If you are speaking about stamina, about power, about strength, about capacity, about ability, in every position, all these are superior than England. Means the idea of that gentleman totally rejected. The idea of that gentleman totally falls down. How that person can appreciate it, or how he can appreciate the views of writer, that is a matter to be understand. एक लाइन और लिखिए, who, जो इंग्लैंड के लिए, undoubtedly brave and generous, मान लिया कि वो निश्चय से बिना किसी संदेह के बहादुर हैं, उदार हैं, और एट द सेम टाइम रश, लेकिन उसी समय बड़ी जल्दबाजी, हेडस्ट्रोक, जिद्दी, impetuous to act elevated with prosperity and discord in adversity. बहुत मेहनती है मान लिया, बहुत अच्छे हैं, बड़े मतलब जल्दबाज हैं, लेकिन एक ही समय में खुशियों के समय में बहुत जल्दी खुश हो जाते हैं और दुख में बड़े जल्दी निराश होते हैं. दे हैव नॉट पेशेंस. मीन्स वी नो दैट इंग्लैंड इज गुड, बट देयर इज वन डिमेरिट इन इंग्लैंड. When there is happiness everywhere, they become happy. But they have not the power to bear adversity. In opposite circumstances, they lost their patience. This was the demon. In happy moment, if there is prosperity, all they are good, all they are happy. But if there is adversity, they lost their every power, every stamina, every patience. खुशी के समय में बहुत जल्दी खुश हो जाने वाले और प्रतिकूल समय में एकदम झटके से निराश हो जाने वाले ऐसे होते हैं इंग्लैंड के व्यक्ति. दिस वाज द डेफिनेशन गिवन बाय ओलिवर गोल्डस्मिथ दैट इंग्लिश पीपल आर वेरी रश एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग. In prosperity, they becomes very happy and joyful, but in adversity, they lost their patience, their happiness, and become very bitter and sad. तब वो एकदम दुखी और कठोर हो जाते हैं. तो in our next video, which we will start next day, then we will read the next part of this. Thank you.